Okay, so please, you can copy the answers here. Yeah. Okay, for your revision later. Please copy this here. Please copy this first. Yeah. Can you see?
Okay, madam.
Okay, let me make it larger for you. Okay. So you have to tabulate the data. Okay, tabulate the data and then calculate total up the data of the vehicle classifications. So you can calculate the peak hour factor (PHF) from the maximum 15 minutes volume ya. Ni macam you punya apa panggil? Traffic volume study in your lab kan? You kena kira peak hour factor. It's a 1 hour traffic volume study. Okay? Seandainya tanya saya waktu lab what to compute kan, what to analyse from the traffic volume study data. Okay dah? Have you copied? Okay, next. Okay, number 3. Please copy this also. Yeah, calculate design hourly volume, DHV. Okay. And then number 4, calculate the free flow speed. Okay, by using the base free flow speed 110 kilometer per hour. Okay. So can try to obtain the adjustment factors for the lane width, adjustment factor for the lateral clearance, adjustment factor for the number of lanes, and adjustment factor for the interchange density. Yeah. Okay, so where to look for all the tables given are the tables 3, tables 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so finally you have to insert all the values that you have obtained in the formula FFS. So you can get 94.4 kilometer per hour. Okay, have you copied this?
Yes.
Number 5. Number 5, calculate the flow rate in vehicles per hour. Okay. So you can first have to calculate the percentage of heavy vehicle. Okay, and immediately after that, you can calculate the adjustment factor for the heavy vehicle. Okay, so that you can calculate the flow rate in vehicles per hour. Dah? Have you copied?
Yes.
Okay, so number 6, calculate the density. Okay, so that you can get 9 vehicles per kilometer. And step 7, determine the level of service from table 7. Okay, by using the density is equal to 9 vehicles per kilometer. Therefore, you can get the LOS is corresponding to B. Yeah, B, which remarks stable flow, operating speed beginning to be restricted by traffic condition, and some slight delay. Yeah, some slight delay on the freeway. Copy first. I will show you how we read the value of the level of service from from the table 7. Okay, let us see table 7. Table 7. Sorry, table 7. Table 7. Oh, this is not table 7. Density. Okay. Okay, tadi berapa? 9 vehicles per kilometer kan? 9 vehicles per kilometer. 9 vehicles per kilometer for density. Density. Cuba kita tengok. FFS dia 94 kan? 94.4 km per hour. BFFS 110. Okay. Tengok sini. FFS dia 94 kan? FFS dia 94. 94 dengan roughly kita tengok 94. Maximum density dia 9. Oh ya, boleh roughly estimate the LOS. Okay. So nampak 9 dekat lebih kepada B lah. Okay, FFS tadi 94 kan? 94.4. So somewhere in between 90 and 100 km per hour kan for the FFS. So roughly you can estimate the LOS adalah B. Nampak 9 termasuk dalam almost near to 11 passenger cars per kilometer per lane. Okay, so kita berdapat situ LOS adalah B. Okay, otherwise table 7 mana cuba kita tengok table 7. Siapa yang ini kan? Silap kot saya tengok table 7 yang ET ni. Table 7. Table 7. Bukan supposed to be table 23-2. Okay, please take note Alright. So okay, boleh ikut tak? Tadi cara kita nak tentukan LOS. Can you follow? Class?
Yes, madam.
Boleh. So,
Boleh.
okay. Kita tengok pada next question. Okay, so please read first the question here. Oh, this is for you to try at home, eh? Have you done this? Dah buat dah yang ni? Please do this at home, eh? Okay?
Okay, madam.
Yeah. All right. So let's proceed with topic 2.5, traffic control device. Okay, traffic control device. So, okay, let's see some intro to the traffic control devices. Yeah. So, of course, the purpose is to convey message. To convey message to road users, and then to establish a user-friendly street and road system that is adequately and clearly understood by all users thereof. Okay? So the messages may either contain instructions which the road user is required to obey, warning of hazards which may not be evident, or information about routes, destinations, and points of interest or leisure. So by right, okay, the messages must be short enough. Must be short enough and concise to be seen. To be seen by the drivers and the passengers. Yeah. Okay, the road traffic control devices can be either road marking, road signages, traffic island, and of course traffic signal. Traffic signal ataupun traffic light system. Okay. So let's see the first one, the road marking. So any kind of device or material that is used on a road surface in order to convey official information. Okay. So the road marking are made of lines, pattern, words, symbols, or reflector on the pavement, curb, side of island, or on fixed objects near the roadway. Okay, so we can see the apa panggil features of the road marking. So of course the purpose is to control or regulate the traffic. Markings are made using paints that is light reflecting paints in contrast with color and brightness of the pavement or background. So that's why sometimes you can see the road marking to be in the form of white painting, white painting or in red painting, cat warna putih atau cat warna merah. Sebab apa? Sebab nak kontras dengan warna apa panggil tar kan? Tar turapan tu, turapan atau tar jalan lah. Turapan atau tar jalan warna hitam kan? So dia kena kontras warna road marking tu supaya kelihatan kepada drivers terutamanya lah kan. Sebab apa drivers yang bawa kereta okey, atau bawa motor. Okay, types of markings can be either pavement marking or curb marking. Kalau pavement marking maknanya on the road surface, dan kalau curb marking bahagian tepi ni yang warna merah putih ni, okay, kita panggil sebagai curb. Curb. So saya tak tahu pula apa dalam bahasa Melayu untuk curb. Okay, so tapi yang warna merah putih ni yang kamu nampak ni adalah kita panggil curb. Okay, dan pavement marking can be in the form of center lines, the lane line, no passing zone ataupun no crossing, no crossing zone, turn marking, can be juga U-turn marking, kan? U-turn marking. Turn marking ni can be either left or right turn. Right turn marking. And kita ada satu lagi U-turn marking. And then kita ada stop lines. Lepas tu untuk for the curb marking, kita consider it for most likely ialah marking. Most likely for parking. Most likely for parking regulation. Then next kita pergi kepada yang kedua iaitu road sign or road signages atau kita panggil sebagai signboards. The types of road traffic sign can be either the regulatory signs which is enforced by law. Okay, so it can be either mandatory speed limit or the prohibitory no entry. And then the next type will be the warning signboard. Warning signboard. Dan of course kita ada jenis informatory signboard. Informatory signboard. The characteristics of the road traffic signboard can be described in the form of shape, color, and also we can look at the symbols or lettering used for the signboards. Okay, so contoh-contoh ni, kamu boleh nampak kita ada warning signboards lah. Warning signboards nampak ni ada apa? Ada deer, ada deer crossing the deers will hit the cars kan. Okay, so accidents will happen lah. Jadi attention lah to the drivers. Dan kita ada signboard dekat highway, warna hijau kan. Signboard warna hijau merujuk kepada signboard yang berada di atas highway. And then kita ada speed limit signboard kan, menunjukkan had laju kebangsaan. Okay, and kita ada signboard go kat sini warna merah menunjukkan apa? Signboard dekat stop control intersection. Stop control intersection. Dan jenis yang ketiga adalah traffic island. Okay. So traffic island atau in Malay we call it pulau traffic. Pulau traffic. Pulau traffic ni can be described as a median strip, a strip in the middle of a road. It can also be a narrow strip between roads that intersect at an acute angle. The types of traffic island based on function. So the types are the divisional island, for example, median along highways, and then we have channelizing island. Used to guide traffic into proper channels through the intersection area, which to reduce conflicts, to establish desired angles of crossing and diverging, and then to serve as convenient locations for other traffic control devices. And then the channelization also meant for channelizations also meant for refuge island for pedestrians. Refuge island for pedestrians, and also useful when the direction of flow is to change. Maknanya channelization here can be treated as separator. Separator maknanya dia mengasingkan dua direction, dua aliran trafik yang mempunyai dua arah yang berbeza. So itu tujuan channelizing island yang bertindak sebagai separator. So tengok gambar kat sini, Okey, kita ada channelizing island. Channelizing island yang on your left here ialah divisional island. Divisional island. Okey. So dekat on your right pula adalah channelizing island. Channelizing island on your right here yang ada budak main bola sepak ni. Okey. And then lastly, okay, one of the traffic control system devices is the traffic signal system. So a signaling device positioned at a road intersection, pedestrian crossing, or other location. So this is describing the signalized junction or intersection. So its purpose is to indicate using a series of colors like red, amber, green, okay, ataupun merah, kuning, hijau. Merah, kuning, hijau. The correct moment to stop, drive, ride or walk using a universal color code and a precise sequence for those who are color blind. Okay. Jadi warna traffic signal ataupun traffic light system adalah standard. That's why kamu boleh hafalkan warna dia adalah merah, kuning, hijau. Merah, kuning, hijau. Daripada atas kan, merah daripada atas, kuning tengah, hijau bawah. Okay. So the type of the traffic signal, okay, so kita ada 4 types, okay, that are the fixed time control, vehicle actuated traffic signal system, and then kita ada yang jenis link or coordinated traffic signal system. Okay, for the link or coordinated traffic signal system, they are further divided into simultaneous system, signal alternate system, double alternate system, and also we have flexible system. And lastly, we have the type of the traffic signal is the area traffic signal system. The area traffic signal system. So anyhow, for our syllabus, we will only learn the number one type, that is the fixed time control traffic signal system. The others here, number 2, number 3, and number 4 will be equipped by special sensor or sensor to be fixed in the pavement surface, okay, and also something to be fixed on the signal post. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all for today. Okay, the slide here will indicate the end of our lesson. Okay. So, and are there any questions?
So far, no, madam.
Okay. So I hope you can do the tutorials. For your better understanding in the topic 2.4. Okay. Then, mana tadi? Ni please do tutorial 1, tutorial 2, and tutorial 3. In your group lah, so you can discuss with your friends. Okay, when you do your revision later. Okay. Yeah, I think thank you so much. If you have no questions, otherwise you can always WhatsApp me in the WhatsApp group. okay, about the lesson that we learned today. Okay, please mark your attendance. Sorry, I would like to remind you again about the attendance. Please mark your attendance on the new future online. Have you done that?
Done, Doctor.
Done, Doctor.
Okay. Okay, right. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.